Hi friends! Today we are going to make natural yeast from raisins. It's going to take 5 to 7 days to complete. It's a good time of the year to start making a natural yeast, so let's begin a journey with me. First thing first, we are going to disinfect the container. A very clean container is the very first thing you should prepare. Put the container in the boiling water and rotate it all around and to disinfect any germs. Put it on a wire rack to let it cool and dry. The temperature today is 25 degrees Celsius and this is the ideal temperature for the natural yeast making. And if your room temperature is higher than this, maybe you can make the natural yeast faster. And if your room temperature is below this temperature, you will need more time to make it. So the visual cue and the smell is the key to make a natural yeast. Dissolve honey in the water. Honey will help developing the natural yeast. Now put your raisins in container. I am using organic raisins and pour honey water over it. Separate the raisins in the water and secure the lid and leave the container on the counter for 24 hours. On the next day, your raisins are fully rehydrated. Fermentation is not happening yet. Shake the container to give it the fresh oxygen to breathe. I love baking using commercial yeast as a rising agent because it is simple and no fail, but natural yeast is too attractive to try. On the day 3, it doesn't seem the fermentation is happening, but slowly and surely they are keeping the power into the container. The rising agent is commercial yeast, like instant yeast or active yeast, or a natural starter. The sourdough is famous, but the sourdough starter is too strong to use in a SHOKUPAN dough because we don't want any tang in our dough, so I am making from the raisins. Day 4 is a little bit of higher temperature day. You can see bubbles creating on the surface. It's 30 degrees Celsius, but I decide to keep going. Shake it as we did for the last 3 days and leave it on the counter. On the day 5, the bubbles are a little bit stable and you can see that the bubbles are on the raisin, but it's just the beginning of fermentation. Shake well to give it the energy and let it sit for the next day. Now your raisins are floating on the surface and you see the sediment at the bottom. This is what we are looking for. Pass through a sieve and discard the raisins. Your natural yeast starter looks cloudy and it smells comfortable. Secure the lid and leave it in the fridge for 24 hours to stabilize, and then we'll go on to the next step. We are making the pre-ferment dough and I will show you how to do it in the next video. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you will prepare the natural yeast starter and prepare for the next week. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!